Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your headphones HONOR Earbuds to Lite. You have to start by open Huawei AI Life application. Your headphones should be connected with the app, and then you will see your headphones at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then click at the 4 dots at the right top. Device settings, then device information. And at the last line we have the line with the version. Tap at this line. And right here you have your software version, because firmware version is the same as software, so you can find it here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!